Hi, good morning guys. So today I'm going to shoot a vlog video. So it's a day in my life. So from today we are starting a bit of dieting because I have gained a weight. To lose weight, I have starting a few workout challenges and I'm following a diet. I'm going to show you all the diet recipes and the daily routine of my life. So first thing I have planned is like I'm going to wake up early. So I'm going to build a few good habits in this routine. So I'm gonna wake up early. So we are going to a walk now. So later we're gonna have some healthy breakfast and lunch and dinner. Then we have a workout at night because it helps me to sleep better. So due to high amount of screen time, I'm not getting enough sleep. Like I'm not able to sleep early. Like even when I go to bed, it takes about half an hour to go to sleep. So because of that, I want to do workouts at night, so it helps me make my body a bit of tiredness. Because of that, I will get a good sleep at night. So let's get ready to go walk. First thing, I sleep in braids because it helps me sleep better. I'm gonna apply some moisturizer. It's a rainy day outside, so I don't need any sunscreen today. Because it's been cloudy for like about 4 to 5 days. It's been very cloudy and rainy in our area, so I'm not applying any sunscreen today. Let's apply moisturizer and we are good to go. So I woke up at 7 o'clock, but I planned on waking up at 6, but it's first day, so let's get better from tomorrow. So it's Monday of the week, so I'm starting on Monday. We are going on a walk with my mom. We are going to a place called Ramzala. It's a beautiful lakeside view walking place. So for good air and good environment, it will be refreshing in the morning. Before going to the walk, we're gonna drink lemon water, which I'm gonna prepare now, and I will show you how to prepare a lemon water. It's a very simple lemon water, like just squeeze half lemon in warm water and we'll drink it, and we'll have a half fruit. It's important to have something. You should not do any exercise in a bare stomach. It's important to at least drink some water. So we are moisturized. Let's drink some water and have some fruit, and we are good to go. In a kettle, add some water. So my mom made this mix, like it contains jeera powder, so jeera, ajwain, coriander, soap and everything. So we're gonna add this mix a bit. Everything has been lightly crushed in the mixer, so let's add a spoonful of it and let it boil. Hi guys, we have reached our place for walking. So today we have planned of about 10,000 steps of walking. So I'm going to try to achieve that. So this is the location. Let me show it to you. We haven't reached the location. We have to go like this. There's a way to the top. There's gonna be a kind of pond view. So let's go. So that was our way for the walking. So I'm gonna keep a step tracker in this phone. So we're gonna count up to 10,000 steps. Then that's our goal. So we'll try to reach that goal. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna keep the step tracker. Let's get started. I usually came at this place like at the last 4 months before, I think so. It was very long time. So I'm gonna start this routine again. So I want to improve myself, to improve my strength a bit. so I want to lose my weight also. So right now I'm around like 58 kgs, so I want to get to 52 or 53 because according to my height it is the ideal weight. So that's why I'm trying this routine from today, and it was actually started at September 1st, which is like yesterday. I started doing workouts from yesterday, but from today morning, so I'm started walking and everything. So it's a nice thing, but the thing is like climate. It's been very rainy these days, so it's hard to go for a walk in the morning, because usually at this time, which is like 7:30, we usually get drizzles. It's either be like a little rain or some like kind of drizzling will happen. So let's see, let's hope like from today there won't be any rain at my time of walking. And this place is like it's called as Ramjala. They have a story for this place called this point has happened because of Lord Rama came here and shoot an arrow for, as Sita was thirsty, so he shoot an arrow for the water. So that's the story I heard from my childhood over here. But this place has been recently developed, so they have made this beautiful path for the walking and the grillway, so that nobody will fall on to the pond. So it's been developed nicely. So let me show you one. That's the path for the Ranmandla Hanuman temple, so which was my last vlog and the first vlog also. So that was the place. So this place comes in the way, and my mom is already to the end point. Let's see how many steps we can cover for like one rep of round. So you guys do tell me some suggestions like how to make a vlog so better and everything. So please do some comments. So let me continue my walking. Okay, bye. So usually at this place I'll come for jogging, but today I'm not interested into jog, so we are planning on going for a walk itself. So let's see, like tomorrow or day after tomorrow, if I get the interest to jog, I'll do it. But up to then, I'll do this 10,000 steps walking. And also at this place they have installed a few exercises which we can do. I'm gonna do those also after my walking. So we are about to reach our end point. So I'm gonna see how many steps we have done. Like if it's like 10,000 steps or 500, I have to do 10 rounds of this place again and again. So let's see. Right now it's 8 o'clock. Yeah, because I woke up literally late, guys. My mom woke up at 6 o'clock, but I slept and I woke up for like 7. So fresh up took late for me, so it got late. So we are about to reach the end point. This is the end point, guys, where we need to stop and check our steps. So let's see. We have reached 752 steps. So one way of this road is like 752 steps. So means if I do one round, it will be around like, let's do some round figure things only, because 752 is not the value which I can calculate. So let's think we are making 1000 steps for like only one way of going. So that means to complete one round, it will finish 2000. So I have to make 5 rounds. Or if I do 6, it will be around 10,000 steps. So let's do 6 rounds. Let's go. Guys, back again. So we have completed one round. So as per the step tracker values, I have burned 55 calories and I have completed around 1500 steps, and I walked around 1.17 kilometers right now at a speed of 4.9 kilometers per hour. So it's been 14 minutes for like 100 steps equals to 1 minute, I think so. So let's do 4 more rounds faster. because we are running out of time. I can't be here like 1.5 hours because Blackie and Brownie are waiting at home. They will be crying, literally. Even when we have started, they started crying, so we need to go back early. So usually if we come at this time on a normal day, it used to be sun used to be out by 7 o'clock, so it used to be a lot of sunshine skin, but it won't be helping for us to do more rounds in the walking. So this kind of climate helps us to walk more because it's very calm and refreshing. Here's my mom, guys. Say hi, mom.
Hi.
She's also walking with me. She's also doing 4 rounds. Like, I don't think she's doing 10,000 steps. Her time limit is like half an hour of walking and half an hour of exercise. So mommy is also doing dieting with me from starting today and the exercise. So see, ఈ ప్లేస్ గురించి ఏమని చెప్పు.
రామజల అంటే రాముడు సీత లక్ష్మణుడు వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు సీతకి దాహం వేసింది. దాహం వేస్తే అప్పుడు రాముడు బాణం కొడితే వాటర్ వచ్చి తాగేసి వాళ్ళు వెళ్ళిపోయినారు. రాముడు వేసిన బాణం కాబట్టి రామజల అని వచ్చింది.
So that's the story which I have told you earlier. It's the same story. We don't know it's true or not. There's no written records. It's just a story surrounded by like people of this place like Adoni. So all the people know only this story of how Ramjala has formed. This is the story of the workout. She has did 3 rounds. So I'm doing other 2. Right now I'm about like 4,500 steps. So for the reality check, around 5 or 5 rounds, I think it will be like 8,000 steps. The other 2,000 can be covered at home also. Like after lunch and dinner, we need to walk for 15 minutes. So I'm going to do it over there. So at least I'll try to complete 5 rounds. I'm about to finish my 5th round. So I'm going to stop here because it's already 1 hour I've been walking, so I think it's enough workout for today. It's already 9 o'clock, so we are about to reach the end. We'll just see our step tracker record. We are done, so let me tell you my workout details. So we walked around 5.44 kilometers and I have burned 253 calories, so it's a good count. And I have did 7,077 steps. So it's not our goal, but I think it's enough for 1 hour. We have been walking for like 1 hour and 3 minutes. So 7,000 steps and 253 calories. That's our count today. So let's do some stretching and go.